Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. I want to bring you a quick update on Bitcoin. It's about 9:20 a.m. Eastern here in US, June 13th, 2018. So we have been trading in this down channel for about a couple of weeks now, and it's obviously it's very frustrating to see all the red on the charts, and I'm sure a lot of people don't even want to look at it, but this is when you really get the opportunity to make profits. When you see this kind of red, everyone is getting frustrated, right? But the thing is, what sets you apart from the others is when others are not looking, you have to open up your eyes, and you need to look for the value where others are not. All right. So those are the things that as a new trader, as a amateur trader, you have to really improve on. And I want to kind of bring you those things because early in my career, I used to do the same thing as well. When the market went up, my mood swing was extremely happy. When the market went down, my mood swing was extremely sad. But you want to take those emotions out of the market so you can actually make the good decisions based on your on your reading of your charts, looking at the technicals, seeing the fundamentals, rather than just blindly following your emotions. Okay, so that being said, let's do a quick dive into Bitcoin. It's trading around 64.79 right now. So we have been trying to get out of this down channel. We tried to make few attempts. So earlier, late last week, we tried to get out of this channel. We had this consolidation. We tried to get out of this. It was almost now. If you look at it, this was almost like a bear flag. I'm gonna zoom this in a little bit right here. So now now it's a clear bear flag, but the bear flag doesn't happen until it breaks those support level. Okay, and so that's what happened. We broke those support level, and we had a massive spike down to 6,600. Try to make a rebound, did not work, and now we are at 64.67. Yep. What I'm seeing right now is these conditions are pretty oversold right now, and I'm expecting some bounce within 24 to 48 hours. The reason I'm saying that is we are coming at a very good support level right now. The support that was held back in April, back in February time frame, and we are back at that support level. So I'm expecting some kind of rebound from this level. Now, am I sure that this is going to be the bottom? I don't know, and it might not be even bottom, because this is the third time we are testing that support level. The more time we test those support level, the higher the probabilities that it will break those support level. Just like the more time you test the resistance, the higher the probability that we will break those resistance. So but the reason I'm saying that we are coming to a near-term oversold conditions is because if I go back to my 4-hour charts, and if I look at the RSI, it's completely oversold. The price action is making near lows, but the RSI indication is not making a near low, and that's a divergence in the RSI. So if I look at the RSI right here, there is a divergence. See that the low it made was in the previous dip, which was 2 days ago. That's when it made the low, and today is in the price action. It's a newer low. 64.71 right now is the newer low, but the RSI is not making a newer low. So that's a divergence right now. So based on purely on the technicals right now, I'm expecting some kind of bounce within a day or two. Okay. Now, how long that bounce will live, that is a good question. That will really dictate on what kind of volume we are getting into the market, what kind of volume we are getting into that bounce. If we can get out of this down channel, I'm going to go back to the 1-hour chart and zoom this in. Okay, so now if we can get out of this down channel in this volume, then we will have somewhat follow through. Okay, so that's the key that you want to take a look, like what kind of bounce we are getting. Also, we want to make sure that we are getting over this trend line, this intermediate. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker so you can see it. This pink trend line, resistance line, that was providing a support. We broke that, so we need to see if we can get over that. If we can get over that with good volume, I will be a little bit bullish for rest of this month and into the next month. But until then, probably want to just sit back and make some. I mean, if you have money sitting on the sideline, then this is probably maybe a good opportunity to get into a trade, especially on the oversold condition right now. I will be making few trades based on this, technicals as well, just a full disclosure, just because right now the conditions are pretty oversold. All right, anything, I mean, right now you really have to the trader psychology is the key. How you place your trade, how you manage it, how you are dealing with your emotions. Those are the things that really will define you as a trader. Because if you keep on selling on the lows because you're like, oh my god, this is gonna go to the bottom, and you're buying it at the high, it's oh my god, this is going to go to the moon, then obviously something is wrong with you in your trading psychology, and you really need to reevaluate your trading. So let's not make those common rookie mistakes here. Hopefully this videos are helping you with your trading and your investing, not just with this crypto market, but in other markets as well. So be a smarter investor, be a agile investor, so it will really help you with your other investing as well. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, comments. I have been a little bit busy, but I will get back to you and the comments as soon as I have some time, and I want to get more regular making these videos. The summertime is a little bit busy for me right now, but I will hopefully get back in my previous rhythm of making the couple of videos daily and get you guys more content soon. All right, so post a comment, let me know if you have any questions. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit those notification and those bell icon so you can get this content right away. I have said it plenty of time before. We are in a very dynamic market. This market is constantly changing. If something changes tomorrow, all the bets, it's very dynamic. So I really I'm not trying to over exaggerate that thing. It's extremely dynamic market. So we need to stay with it and in order to be profitable. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.